I've been wanting to sit and play with this palette some more because it's just so beautiful. This is the Major Dimension 2 palette by Patrick Ta. So today we're just gonna play around and see what we come up with. I have my base makeup on and some eye primer, and let's get right into it. We're gonna start with Loyal, one of the cream shades, and we're gonna put it all over the lid. Such a beautiful color. This shade looks amazing on its own, but we gotta have some fun here and play with many more colors. So far so good, and I was using my Sephora number 27 brush. Now with the Refer number 15, I'm gonna put on this one, this color. We're gonna close that little lid so that, because there is some kickback, but not a lot, and we don't want any of that to get into the creams. So let's start defining the outer portion of the lid. Kind of blending it up a little bit. I'm just tapping off the excess in a paper towel that I have in front of me. Now let's deepen that up with the next color over, which is Passion. Bringing it in closer to the middle of the eye. And let's blend it. Let's use the tip of the brush. Not too worried about it because we're gonna blend it with a lighter shade in a little bit. So I'm gonna take my big fluffy brush again and use my Sigma switch here to get rid of the pigment. And now with nothing on it, just gonna blend. And now I'm gonna use a lighter shade on Faithful and use that to blend the outer edges and just fade them a little bit, make it more seamless. Tapping the excess here on my paper towel. And I'm gonna add more definition to the outer V here with my Refer 13, and I'll be grabbing this shade right here. Now I'm gonna take my E4 Mario brush, and with this I'm just gonna add some contrast with the lightest of the shades here. I'm gonna put it near the inner corner. Okay, now with the fluffy brush that we were using for the darker colors, I'm gonna blend where the lightest and the darkest meet to make it more of a gradient. And now for the fun part, we're gonna go in with some glitter, and I'm gonna use the same E4 brush, this one right here. So I'm gonna pick it up with a brush. Come on, buddy. Finger is gonna be a lot better for this. Or, yeah, let's do that. And I'm keeping it towards the center of the eye, and as I was saying that, I noticed that this one is more off to the right, so let me bring it in to the center. Man, this is so pretty. It's like a copper. Wow, this is really beautiful. I'm just gonna keep adding some more, that same color over it. Now, of course, we can't stop there. Let's continue on with the glitters. And what I'm gonna do this time is I'm gonna wet my brush with some setting spray. I don't know. Maybe this one. I'll go with that one. No, I do not like that look whatsoever. So, just emphasizing the texture on my eyelids a lot. So I'm gonna wipe it off a bit with my finger just to soften it. And then let's try just using the finger, forget the wet brush. There we go, that's pretty. That looks gorgeous, wow. Let me add more glitter here in the center. This is, oh my God, what a beautiful color. Ooh, this is the one that we put in the middle. Wow. Just gonna keep putting on some more. Can't get enough of this one. And for an eyeliner, we're gonna use a Patrick Ta Deep Bronze. This is a really pretty, I started warming it up here on the back of my hand. It's a beautiful bronze with a it's sort of metallic-y. Now this liner does drop little tiny crumbles. Almost like it's breaking apart. No, and I have to tug on my eye more than I would like. So I'm just gonna switch to using the eyeshadow itself. Let's use a cream, why not? And this is a rougher 23. Now to set that cream liner, I'm just gonna take the darkest shadow here and run it over the cream to set it. This is a NARS liner in Mambo. And I heard about this liner from Hindash. I don't know if you guys follow him or if you watch his videos. The guy is amazing. He's so talented. Anyway, this is one of his favorite eyeliners, so of course I had to try it out. And I'm gonna smudge it with a pencil brush. This is a Sigma E30. Smudge it out. With the same Sigma E30 brush, I'm gonna grab some of this guy. Run it a little lower than where I put the eyeliner. And then I'm gonna take the lightest, maybe and mix it with the one next to it. Is this showing up on camera? Yes, okay. So mixing these two, and now I'm gonna bring it even lower, just to have a nice gradient effect. Now let's bring in some of the glitter. I think I'm gonna use this same glitter that I really liked. ¿Cómo se llama esto? Darn it. This one is called Desire. I'm just gonna go over the lash line with it. Okay, I just sprayed it with a little bit of water because I wasn't getting any glitter from this brush. There we go. For mascara, I'm gonna use a primer. This is a Dior Show Maximizer, and for mascara, the Scott Barnes Max Out. And this is the look. I absolutely love it. Actually, I'm gonna wipe it off and I'm gonna do another one. But this time I think that I'm gonna use this dark cream as the base. But I'm not gonna do it now because my family says that my videos are too long sometimes. So I'm breaking it up for you guys. I'll keep playing in a completely separate video. If you like this video, please remember to give it a thumbs up and consider subscribing to the channel. Thank you so much, you guys. See you next time.